Hello everyone. So here is my sample one. We're making little side tucks, or pockets I should say, for our sewing journal. I know I'm switching journals and doing journals rather fast, but we had made this cover in January and I kind of just want to use it. So we're going to work on our sewing journal. This is the sample one that I made. We'll see what the other ones look like soon enough, I'm sure. So let's make, since that last one was on that side, let's make this one on this side. I hate when this happens. So I have my Sugar Belle goobered. Let's do it this way. Sorry if you hear any background noise. My daughter is home today doing her schoolwork, and I figured while she's doing her schoolwork, why don't I just have a play? Yeah, let's do that. I'm just winging it. Can you tell? I did do a video of me making the sample, but I didn't really like it, so I decided, okay, I don't really like it, so we're gonna redo the video. I was having a bit of a writer's block. It was just not happening. So, well, not writer's block, but crafting block is what I call it. Now, this one I'm thinking I'm just going to collage a bit. Why not? With all these different laces and stuff. It'd just be a bit of fun. I just think this would be such a fun pocket, having many different kinds collaged on it. I really need to make a whatchamacallit. I need to make a de-stash of some of my laces here, I think, because I have an awful lot all of a sudden, even though I use them constantly. As you know, I constantly using my laces. Yeah, again, I have tons of laces, it seems like. Holy cows. They seem to be everywhere. Current moment. I really like this lace, but at the same time, I don't need so much. For what I'm doing. So, I just cut off the end that I wanted. Very elegant lace. But there we go. Doesn't that look interesting? Wow. Yeah, I really like this. Goes this way. Isn't that pretty? Oh, definitely a wonderful pocket. All right, what to do next? Well, let's use the rest of this for one. So I think what I'll do is how about we stick this down on here. I think I have a pretty fabric that I could use. Let's pull some of the string off it. Yes, I keep little pieces too. All right. What? I'm not telling you how many more. My timer will go off when it's time. Okay? You will be fine. Bella, I'm taping this. It is. It's gonna end. Soon enough. Don't worry. Be happy. You can. Everything's I can't right now. Because she just doesn't want to do it. One thing I do like about sewing journals is they're very textured. Which makes it rather fun to do. Noticing this side keeps on coming up, so there we go. I don't have time right now, Bella. So now there's a belly band here and a pocket. So I'm just going to grab my small one here. So there'll be some way of slipping something in here and in here. So it's a double pocket, technically. I guess you could consider this a little shabby chic. I wasn't even thinking about that when I was starting this whole process. It is a bit shabby chic-y, but that's because I'm adding a lot of different textures and all that jazz to the pieces. We got that. I'm just seeing what I have here. No. No. Huh. Let's see. No. Sorry, I'm overthinking, which I am sure we all do. This one I'm kind of like throwing blanks on what I want to do with it. You know what? Let's have a bit of a play then. I have this Novo embellishment mousse. And I have a really, oh, sorry about that. And of course I keep on doing it. Have the stencil on hand. Let's just have a bit of a fun. So I stick my finger in it, rub. This is how I use it. Not everybody likes to use it this way. I get that. It's gonna give it a light little feel to it. Sometimes when you're not sure what to do, you just wing it. Right? I know not everybody does that, but that's what I do. When I'm unsure of how I want something, I start winging it. I add more texture. To the piece. Ugh. This moose does not like me today. There. Again, we just added a bit of texture to what we already had. Now, I'm going to let that dry a bit. And I have a little bit of mousse on my finger yet. So let's just rub it off on here. This is my rub off. Piece here that I just, again, I rub as much as I can off my paper and everything, and there. Now it's all off the stencil. This is, I use it for stamping off, rubbing stuff off and everything. It'll eventually become a journal page, but for right now that works. So I will probably show you in the next video how this is finished. I hope you liked this video. I mean, we did do 2 of them, and I really like this one. I really like this one. And I really like this one too. But I hope you enjoyed this video, and have a great day or night. Bye.